Hello students and parents, I am Ms. Todd and I am going to show you guys how to reach the assignments. So you make sure you're in your teacher's teams to get that assignment, and you're on the general and you're going to click on the assignments tab and it's going to pop up this way. And you have two ways. Now, if it comes up this way, you just hit download. And you'll see the document is downloading somewhere at the bottom, whether it's on this side or on this side. You're going to hit this yellow manila folder. And it will pop up under today. You'll see today. And you just click on it. And you'll see it open in the Word platform. And you'll go to File. And you can say Save As. And you're going to go Save. And that should be all. You can do this for a PDF file as well. In case it comes up this way, just in I think it's open in Teams and open in Word. You'd hit open in Word and it'll open for you in Word. And once again, you just hit File. It'll say save a copy and you would hit save. And once you've done that, you can just go back to the yellow manila folder and open it up. And that is how you would find your assignment and download it during the inclement weather. Or you can do this for any of your assignments. Bye-bye.